Welcome guys. So as you can see that there is a UI of Nike e-commerce store and I got it from Twitter. So in this video I will show you how I can make it more user friendly with more UX and more tricks. So let's watch the video. So the first thing what we can see here. The first thing we see here is the shoe. As we can see, the shoe is without any background. It's like a PNG without background. So let's think it realistically. Nike, they have thousands of products. Therefore, as you can see, it's man, woman, kids, all are there. So there are thousands of product. So they will click pictures of every product and they will remove the background from it and they will put it on their website. It's very hectic. It's not realistic for a big business like this. Well, it's possible if there is any antique shop, something like that, with very limited product. Still, it's very unrealistic to think like that. That this type of this type of website will work. And you can see also there are like buttons. If you click here, you will see different version of 3D pictures of the same shoe. So how we can change it? We should change it to normal, like this. It's only a picture with white background and it's very simple, and in realistic way it's possible too. They will just take the picture of the product with a simple white background and they will edit it in Photoshop or some software, then they will put it on the website. And there are 4 pictures, and this one I made it a little whitish so people think that okay, this picture is selected here. But I think it's not a good idea what I did here. I should have made it more like a ring around the picture, so it's more clear that this picture is selected. Okay, the next thing, there is a thing we can see that man shoes. As we can understand from it that it's from this man category. Then there is shoes option, and inside that this Air Jordan 1 product belongs. Right, so what I did here, I put it here, main hash shoes. So who doesn't know this thing? If you open File Explorer in your computer in Windows, you will see that address bar. It's kind of similar like this. It shows the address, and it's very commonly practiced, and UI designers show this type of address bar to show users which page they are in. Users have a clear idea that they are inside men and shoes. The next thing, this part I really liked. As you can see, it's very strong and bold. So I didn't change it a lot, but I kept it like Air Jordan 1 in bold. And to maintain visual hierarchy, I kept it little grayish at this retro high OG part. Okay, now the main thing in the e-commerce product, as I did here, it's rating. You don't see here any rating. So when you buy something from on a website, the main thing we see is the rating. What other users said about it, how much rating it has. If it has less rating, probability is that we won't buy it. So it's very important. So as you can see that I put 4.2, 1.5k ratings, and I made it this line to divide this part and this part, the 2 different parts. Okay, so when users see that they're getting a product for $115, which the real price was $130, they are happy, right? But it's important to show the users that how much it less. it may be 20%. In $130, when users get $15 less, they will get it that okay, they have to spend less dollar. It's very important in user mind that to show users that okay, its real price is 130, you get it for 115. Well, it's not 20% off. This I didn't do the math here, but it's I just kept it like a demo, like 20% off or 30% off, 50% off, whatever it is. So whatever price they will directly see this line because I made it red, and they will see 130, 150, and bam, here 20% off, and they will it gives them a trigger to buy the thing because they getting it 20% off. And here also I mentioned inclusive of all tax, not mentioned here. It's also important to show users that it's all included here, and when you put the product to the bag, this cost won't get higher. You don't have to pay any more taxes on this product. So it's very important to show them, because when if I saw in many websites, I don't want to name them, but the price is same and you tap the thing and the price get higher. So it's very bad user experience, I would say, and it makes users angry and probably they won't come back again. So it's very important to show whatever data you have in a very clear way. Next thing, I didn't do this part. I didn't write this part here because I felt okay, it's important, this description, but I don't think it really primary thing to put here on the first page. It can be here, the description, or like the main points, main important points, whatever we have here, we can put it here like a bullets with bullets. So user will have like easy to read all of the things without reading it like a storybook. Okay, color part I like. Size thing. Okay, here you will see that it's 42. I don't know what size it is. Okay, the select size, US size. I mentioned it clearly that it's US size. So according to US size, you will get this. But if you want to buy it from the UK size, then you will have to mention that okay, it's the size is all about the UK size. So different size of different chart of sizes, and it's different from each other. So if anyone have confusion that what size they have, they will click this C size chart. So if they're in confusion, they will click the C size chart, and there will be like lots of UK, US, and that all of the other size chart and how they're comparable to each other, and they will get the idea and they will buy it from here. So it's really important to mention that which size we're talking about, because in 42 we don't know what size it is. Is it UK, is it US? We don't know, or probably we have to guess from the Google, and it's a very bad user experience. Quantity part I didn't give here because I think that it's not important, because when you add to bag, you will go to the bag and time of the checkout you will see that there is a quantity option, +1, minus, something like that, and you can increase your quantity or decrease your quantity from there. Now add to cart, I made it add to bag. So there is a thing that users like to use those things which they use in offline, like a user use bag in offline mode. So it's more it's my thinking, and it's valid, I will say, but this is not wrong, this is not totally wrong. Okay. The next thing, there is an option called save to wishlist, and there is the picture here, and as we can see that it's logged in already, right? So where is the wishlist option here? Well, it can be that when you click on this user picture, there will be like this drop down menu and you will get wishlist there. It's possible, but what I did here, I just gave it a wishlist option. It's simple. Just save to wish list. Well, its alignment is wrong. Now it's right. So this is just save to wish list, and it will go here. It will be a notification like that, 1 or 2, and user can check it out from here. So yeah, the search thing, I want to say that, okay, so this is only search reason that, right? So when user browsing a website, the main thing is that users shouldn't have to think for a second, and just give them choices and they will choose. And so what I did here, so when they will see search, what will get in their mind, it can be, they can search category, they can search products, they can search a name, they can search certain shoe size or something like that. Anything they can search, right? They don't have this idea of what to search. I mean, it's not a big matter, but it creates confusion in user's mind for maybe a millisecond, right? And we don't want that. So what I did here, I just cleared it. Just a simple thing. I search by product name. So if you have a product name, just search it and you will get it. So that's the thing I applied here, and otherwise it's all are same. So that's it for today. If you like this thing, just give it a thumbs up and put your comments below. And if you want to send me your UI so I can design it with more user-friendly way, and well, there are good UIs, I don't need to design that again. But if something I feel that okay, I have to design it, so I will take it to my YouTube channel and I will show the solution. So if you like, just follow me on my Instagram. I put it down here, and send me your UIs there. It's a new made Instagram account, it's less followers, and just send me there and I will check it out and I will get back to you. So thank you for being here and wish you a good day.